Click it again. Click it again. That one's all done. Keep going. Keep going. Click it again. That one's all done. All finished. Nice work.
Yay!
Where's Pilchard?
Here's a kitty cat. Okay. Click. Want the kitty cat? No? Want the kitty cat?
Fix it, Lifter. Where's Pilchard? Tool Shed. Choose a difficulty level. Oh my! Spud forgot to put the tools away in the tool shed. We have to clean this mess up before we can get back to work. Can you please put the tools in the right boxes? Look closely at the color and shape of the tools to figure out where they go. Then click on the tool, drag it to the right spot, and click again to place it in the toolbox.
Okay. Click.
That's it! Great work! Yes! That's it! Great work! You got it! Great work! We put all the tools away!
Yay! Yay! Way to go, buddy.